Let's prevent your hair from turning white and bring back its natural color. In this video, I want to talk about how we can prevent our hair from turning white, and if it has already turned white, how we can restore its natural color. Many men and women usually experience their hair turning white as they age. This is not necessarily due to genetics or a natural process. Your hair turns gray or white due to the depletion of melanin, which is a type of pigment. The less melanin you have, the lighter the color of your hair. Gray hair has minimal melanin, while white hair has no melanin at all. One significant reason for hair turning white is the lack of copper. Copper is a mineral that we need to stimulate the pigment cells in our hair. It increases the level of melanin and collagen in our bodies, both essential for producing hair color. Now, why would someone experience a copper deficiency? A crucial factor is cortisol. To cope with stress, our bodies use up a lot of copper. Hence, due to elevated cortisol levels and high stress, individuals may develop premature white hair. Essentially, the more stress we have, the more likely our hair will turn white. Therefore, it's essential to do whatever we can to reduce stress levels. We previously released a video on this topic, and I will provide the link for you to check its content. Now, what can be done to increase copper levels? The simplest way is to consume foods rich in copper, such as nuts, fish, liver, mushrooms, and shellfish. Is taking copper supplements helpful? It's not recommended because copper and zinc interact, and getting copper through food is more effective. Another reason for white hair is the presence of hydrogen peroxide. As we age, the level of hydrogen peroxide increases in the hair shafts, leading to white hair. To maintain our hair color or even revert white hair to its natural color, reducing the level of hydrogen peroxide is crucial. How can we achieve this? Number 1. Manage stress. Number 2. Increase zinc and copper intake through food. Number 3. Consume more catalyze-rich foods. Catalyze in sufficient amounts in the body leads to a slower increase in hydrogen peroxide. Catalyze is found in foods like beef and lamb liver, cabbage, pumpkin, mushrooms, various peppers, garlic, turnips, and broccoli. Number 4. Get enough vitamin B7 and B12. Consuming probiotics and vegetables strengthens the digestive system, aiding in the production of B vitamins. Number 5. Get vitamin E through food. Women approaching menopause may lose a significant amount of vitamin E, making them more prone to increased hydrogen peroxide. Therefore, consuming vitamin E is beneficial for them. On the other hand, vitamin E also enhances fertility and reduces skin wrinkles. Number 6. Strengthen the immune system. Number 7. Avoid smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, high sugar and high carbohydrate foods, inadequate and poor quality sleep, long-term stress, vitamin deficiencies, lack of physical activity, and obesity. These factors not only harm our overall health, but also accelerate the aging process and negatively impact the health of our hair. If the well-being of your loved ones, friends, and family members matters to you, share this video with them now to collectively contribute to improving their health. In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye!